Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about dividing integers. So yesterday we focused only on the multiplying. Today we will be focusing only on the division. Again, practice problems with me, and you have 4 to do on your own to show me that you understand the rule. So let me switch my camera so we can do some practice. All right, so in our notes that we were given a couple of days ago, we went over Sleepy Triangle. Remember, that's our helpful friend to help us remember what sign to use. And we also said that we can use the tic-tac-toe model. We also had our smiley faces to help us remember the rule. If they have the same sign, it stays positive. If they have different signs, then it stays negative, okay? So just referring back to our notes to help us with our math. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do 4 practice problems together to help you. Oh, my paper is like going all over the place here. There we go. All right, so all of these are different division problems set up differently because you need to make sure that you know how to set it up. All right, so the first one, I have negative 176 divided by 11. I am going to ignore the symbol for right now. I'm just going to do the division. Remember, how you say it is how you write it. 176 divided by 11. Okay, can 11 go into 1? No. Can 11 go into 17? Yes, it can. 1 time. So I'm going to take 11 from 17. 7 from 1 is 6. 0. Bring down. How many times will 11 go into 66? Good job. 6 times. Take away. I have 0 left over. So 16 is my value, but now I need to decide, is this supposed to be negative or positive? So I'm going to go ahead and draw my sleepy triangle over here. Positive, negative, negative. All right, so I had a negative and I had a positive. So according to my sleepy triangle, my answer should be negative. So negative 16 should be my final answer here. All right, let's look at the next one. 33 divided by 11. So we're going to use tie bow here. Top in, bottom out to make sure I set this up correctly. Top in, bottom out. Can 11 go into 3? No, it cannot. What about 33? Yes, 3 times. I have nothing left over. So my answer will be 3 here. Both of my numbers were positive. I know if they're both positive, then my answer stays positive. Okay? Let's look at another one. I have 60 divided by a negative 10. I'm going to ignore the symbols. I'm just going to divide. How you say it is how you write it. 60 divided by negative 10. All right, can 10 go into 6? No, it cannot. What about 60? Yes, 6 times. I have nothing left over. So I'm going to put 6 as my value, but I now need to determine the sign. I have a positive and I have a negative. So if I come back over here to my sleepy triangle, a positive, a negative, so that means my answer should be negative. So I'm going to go back, put my negative sign, box in my final answer. All right, ladies and gentlemen, last one. I'm going to set up tie bow, top in, bottom out, top in, bottom out, ignoring the signs for right now. Can 3 go into 1? No, it cannot. What about 10? Yes, 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9, with 1 left over. I'm going to bring down my 8. How many times will 3 go into 18? Good job. 6 times. 3 times 6 is 18. I have 0 left over. So 36 is my value. Now I'll go back and look at the signs. I have a negative and I have a negative. According to my notes, if they have the same sign, my answer is supposed to be positive. But let's double check. A negative and a negative make a positive. So my answer stays positive, so I'm going to go ahead and box that in for my answer. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was our 4 problems together for practice. Now you're going to go to your folder and do your work for today. You have 4 division problems, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.